Hello guys, welcome back to BJS Official. On this video I am going to be showing you how to withdraw your money on Nextel. So I am going to show you how to place your Nextel withdrawal without wasting time. So if you want to withdraw your money on Nextel, know that first off you need to set up your bank details, and after that you can now place your withdrawal on a withdrawal period. Understand? So for you to withdraw your money now, all you have to do is to click right here. Just click on it. After clicking on it, you can just scroll down to, you are going to see Nextel Cloud. Now click on Nextel Cloud. After clicking on Nextel Cloud, just scroll down. After going down, you are going to see withdraw right here. Understand? You are going to see withdraw. Just click on withdraw, and after clicking on withdraw, you see that you are going to see this place right here. It depends on the types of earnings that you want to withdraw. So Nextel has a lot of ways to earn, and it also has lots of withdrawal portal. So you have to check the one that you are qualified, or the one that is currently open for withdrawal. Now just click on this particular arrow, click on the drop down like this. So after clicking on it, you are going to see that we have Nextel shares, which is the portal is currently closed for that one. You see ads revenue, connect bonus, target reward, and cloud calls, and also and cloud SMS. So these are the available withdrawal portals on Nextel. So if you want to withdraw now, for the purpose of this video, you see that this connect bonus is currently available. So I am going to select connect bonus. So after clicking on connect bonus, you are going to see the amount that you have on your connect bonus. Like mine, I have $56 right there. So I'm going to tap it right there to enter the amount. Let's say 56. So after entering the 56, I will now head over to click on withdraw. Understand? Just tap on withdraw. After clicking on withdraw, you are going to see these confirmations right here. So all I have to do is to enter my transaction pin and finally click on confirm. So if I will enter my transaction pin, let's say I come right there and enter my transaction pin like this. Before I now click on withdraw, understand, you see that my withdrawal has been placed successfully. So this is the withdrawal receipt. Understand? So this is how to actually place withdrawal on Nextel and get paid ASAP. So this is my withdrawal receipt, and this is the reference. Understand? Like transactions ID, and let's check it out. You see, funds usually arrive within 24 to 48 hours. Trust me, Nextel doesn't waste time. The money is going to drop very soon. So if you place your withdrawal on Nextel, and you know that Nigeria's network, sometimes it can delay. So it may be due to network. Sometimes your payment can be delayed, but it doesn't exceed within 24 hours to 48 hours. Definitely is going to drop. Sometimes you can even place withdrawal and you get it immediately. Sometimes due to network, it might get up to 5 to 30 minute delay. So it just depends. So this is actually how to withdraw on Nextel. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, share this video with others, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. Bye.